Welcome to ZIBAKERIZ, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make 9 different cupcakes using just 2 piping tips. So you're going to need 9 cupcakes and 2 different piping tips. The first one is a Wilton 1M piping tip, and I got this beautiful fuchsia shade using the Fuchsia Shade Gel Food Coloring by Chef Master. And over here I have the Wilton tip number 4B, and I got this beautiful shade using Chef Master's dark navy blue and purple gel food coloring. So to make these cupcakes, I'm going to show you the first one, and that's basically creating the shell border using the 4B piping tip. So you want to go all around the cupcake, going up and then bringing the buttercream towards the center, kind of creating a flower. And then using your Wilton 1M piping tip, you want to go counterclockwise and release, creating a small rosette. So now for the second one, we're going to create that same shell border, but you don't want to go all the way around. You just want to go 3/4 of the way around your cupcake, and then create a small little rosette on the side of your cupcake. Now for the third cupcake, using the 4B piping tip, we're going to be creating a crisscross pattern halfway on the cupcake, and then you want to do that same technique with the Wilton 1M piping tip as well, so overlapping the previous shell and creating a little crisscross pattern. So now for the next one, we're going to create a rope border with the Wilton 4B, and you want to make it come towards the inside. And same with the Wilton 1M, you want to make it come towards the inside so both of the patterns meet together. So now we're going to do that same technique on the opposite direction, creating an overlapping rope border. And same with the 1M, you want to create an overlapping border going the opposite direction. Now for the next design, I'm going to show you how to make the triple rosette. So you want to overlap one rosette with the other, creating 3 rosettes in the center, and then taking the piping tip 4B, you just want to fill in all of the gaps, so creating about 1 to 2 drop flowers in each of the gaps. Now for the next cupcake design, I'm going to take the 4B and create a crisscross kind of going around the cupcake, and then in the remaining side we're going to take the rosette and create 3 rosettes overlapping one another. And now for the next cupcake design, I'm going to take the Wilton 1M rosette tip and create 2 large rosettes halfway, a little bit more than halfway. And then taking the 4B, you want to just create little drop flowers all on the other side of your cupcake. Now again, you want to create that same 1M rosette in the center, so counterclockwise release, and same tip you want to fill on the side, creating drop flowers. And then again with the 4B, you want to create little drop stars on the side as well, and you can kind of add those on the opposite direction. And that's how you create 9 different cupcakes with just 2 piping tips. Now I'm going to show you different ways to decorate your cupcakes. Over here I have wet and gold luster dust, but you can use luster dust in different colors, and using a paintbrush you can add some glitter to your cupcake, or now you can dilute it in some sort of clear extract and get like a water splatter effect as well. Then over here I have this Roxy and Rich luster spray as well that can give you a nice glitter effect on your cupcake, or you can use some sprinkles. Over here I have Golden Dragées by Confectioner's Choice. And lastly, you can also decorate your cupcakes with some fresh flowers as well. So now I'm going to show you different methods and different ways that you can use all of these and decorate your cupcakes. You just have to get creative and have fun with the process. It doesn't matter what you do, it's just a way to get creative, and you can overlap some of the techniques. So you can see the first one that I'm showing closely, I created the splatter on top of the cupcake, and then I've decided to use golden sprinkles near the edge of where the rosette ended. Now for the next one, I'm using the gold luster dust, and I'm adding that to the dark purple, and then I'm placing a flower and some sprinkles on the cupcake as well. Now for the rope border, I've decided to use the luster spray, and then using the gold luster paint that I had created and just splattering that on top, as well as adding the gold luster dust and a couple of flowers. Also, if you guys are enjoying this video, please do like and hit the bell notification so you do get notified every time I post a new video. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, since I upload a new video each week. I haven't been uploading for a few weeks because I'm working on a very important project, so keep your eyes out for that. I will be mentioning more about that very soon. Also, if you guys have any sort of suggestions of what other videos you guys would like to see on my channel, please do comment down below as well. I love hearing your suggestions and helping you guys out as much as I can. So back to the video, so you can see that there are so many different ways to decorate your cupcake. So you can see I'm adding some splatters and some flowers. You don't have to keep repeating the same method or technique of decorating your cupcakes. You can keep getting creative on each of your cupcakes. So you can see I'm using that gold painted edge. This was a signature style on my Instagram page, and everybody absolutely loved this painted edge rosette cupcake style. So if you want, I could create an entire video just on this painted edge rosette cupcake if you want as well. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to be able to do that for you guys as well. And you can see that for the last cupcake, I've decided to add the luster dust and go back in with the sprinkles. So this is really just to show you that you can have fun with the process and get as creative as you can. So over here I used 2 piping tips and different ways to decorate my cupcakes. Over here I used the Wilton 1M and 4B. These were just a few different designs that I created, so just 9 cupcake designs. There were endless possibilities that you could have kept doing with these 2 piping tips. So if you like this type of video, let me know, and maybe I can create more different types of ideas to decorate your cupcakes with different piping tips as well. And that's how you decorate your cupcakes in different ways, using the splatter, painted edge, florals, and different sprinkles. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys learned, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.